How's everybody doing? Happy Sunday. I wanted to make a quick video just to talk about the market, the stock market, especially at the end of last week. I have a significant amount of my portfolio allocated to a company called Palantir. Another bit of my portfolio in call options, long call options in Robinhood. Both of those companies were tagged really bad Thursday, Friday. Palantir went from a high of about 130 on Wednesday or Tuesday to a low of 99 on Friday. I mean, that's, massive. And then Robinhood did similarly percentage-wise. I can't tell you the exact stock price number movement. But basically what I want to address is just the amount of fear in the stock market right now in general. This is really relevant and pertinent to myself because I'm currently not working. So strictly using my portfolio and the funds that I have to make more money, which isn't easy to do for me all the time, especially in risky companies like Palantir and Robinhood, right? But on the flip side, it's made me 200% over the last 4 years. It's nothing magical. I'm not a good trader by any means. I'm not a great analyst of stock market charts and candlestick patterns. But I do believe that if you find a company that you yourself believe in, they have a good story, the financials are solid, that it's worth looking into. And for me, that's Robinhood specifically because I use that company so much. So having it drop Thursday and Friday, 15-20% was massive for my portfolio. About $5,000 down. I mean, it's going to come back. Is it discouraging? Yeah, it's discouraging. But something that kind of helped me was I was watching another YouTuber comment on Thursday and Friday in the markets and just, about the tariff possibilities with Trump now in office, geopolitical stuff with the relationship between us and Russia changing and us and Ukraine changing and what that means geopolitically. And realistically, what happened in the markets last week was like a fart. It was just like a fart. It was loud. It's annoying. It's smelly, but it goes away quickly and people forget about it fast. And they'll never remember it happened. This week, I wouldn't call it a stock market crash. I wouldn't even call it a correction. It's just been the worst day of 2025. No big deal. Buying opportunity, maybe. Maybe. I don't know. I'm going to feel out Monday before putting any more cash in anything. And we'll go from there. But I just thought that was good perspective. For anybody who's investing and watching companies like Palantir or Robinhood and, seeing big moves like that, days where they're down 7%, and then day following where they're down 8% or even more, you can compare that to a fart. It's not a crash. That's a fart. It's unpleasant. It's there. You got to admit it stinks, right? But it's gone. It's Sunday. I'm not smelling the air. It doesn't smell like poop right now, if that makes sense. Now, can stuff happen, geopolitically, socially, whatever? Could there be a giant natural disaster that, tsunami hits the West Coast today? Yeah, that could all happen. And then, this conversation changes and, everything shifts. But as of right now, that doesn't appear to be the case. So riding the waves of this volatility, they can be unpleasant, like a fart.